Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the Walgreens, and just because the Walgreens ad may seem a little slow, that doesn't mean we're not going to be able to save money. I'm going to go in store and teach you some of the deals, how to roll your registry rewards in Walgreens cash so you can get the most bang for your buck. And if you got this spend 10 get $10 in Walgreens cash booster like I did, you're in luck because that's a really good booster to have. And you can easily do almost any one or two deals to make that $10 and basically grab freebies. So without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Now we have a decent deal on Axe deodorant. Now if we get Ibotta rebates, this deal would be better. We had some last week, I want to say, but they're gone now. But always check your accounts. But Axe deodorant sprays or sticks are buy one get one 50% off. There's no Walgreens cash or register rewards coming back, so this might be better savings to do online for you. But they're $7.49 at my store, so one at full price, one at 50% off will be $11.23. We have a $5 digital coupon, so the final cost will be $6.23. Now guys, also remember that Fetchtopia does start this Wednesday, so make sure you're keeping an eye on your Fetch accounts, or if you need a referral to Fetch, I do have it linked down below. Now this is a repeat deal, but if you haven't used the digital coupon, this is still a really good deal, and this would be perfect to put in your spend 10 get $10 in Walgreens cash back. So it's on the Old Spice bigger deodorant. The body wash. You're gonna look for the pump style. They are spend 20 get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $11. So you'll grab two of them for $22. We have a $7 off of 2 digital coupon if you haven't used it yet. So you'll pay $15 at the register. You'll get the $5 register reward for spending the $20. Then you'll submit to Ibotta. We have $2 back on each bottle, so we'll get $4 back from Ibotta, making it $6 for both bottles, or $3 for one of these massive bottles. So we have 50% savings clearance on Shea Moisture products. So we have this curling gel, or we have this one, edge gel, or oopsies, couldn't get that back in, this one. So we don't have any digital coupons, at least I don't, so this would be full, you would have to pay full price, but this is something definitely to keep an eye out on if you like Shea Moisture products. Now this is also a repeat deal from last week, but if you haven't grabbed it, this is still a really good savings. So it's on the Dove hair care. They have ones for $5 or ones for $6 with the pump style. But they are on promotion, buy 2 get $4 in register rewards. So you'll grab 2 if you grab the cheapest ones at $5 each. Your total will be $10. Use a $4 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 per bottle. Axe body wash is also on promotion this week for buy one get one 50% off. For this, there's also unfortunately no register rewards or Walgreens cash coming back, but they're $6.79, so one at full price, one at 50% off will be $10.18. We have a different $5 digital coupon, so we'll make them just $5.18 for both. Alright, this is what some of the gift sets are looking like this year. So we have this Dove one, the Gillettes. I actually like this one. It's just razors. I think that's a good one. The Axe one, this one. This is like the normal style one for the Old Spice, or that one I feel like is a normal's. The Axe though, I'm surprised they don't come with like a little body poof thing, because they usually do. Maybe that's what the free gift inside is. So according to the back of the box, it looks like the free gift is a different body spray. So I mean, it depends if you like those scents or not. So if you need candy bars, this is a decent deal in my opinion. Not the best deal, but definitely decent. So the mini bags of candy are buy one get one 40% off. So we have 3 different sizes, ranging from $24.99 to $29.99 or $19.99. And then we have a $3.50 digital coupon that would work. So depending on what size candy bag you need, you can grab some good savings. You can always use Walgreens cash or registry rewards. That way you're not paying that full price, especially if you stock up on Walgreens cash and have a harder time using it. This is probably something really easy to use it on. Right now we have a decent deal on wellness and health products. They are buy two, get $5 in registry rewards. And this deal does apply to the Advil liquid gels that are $13.99. This is the 80 count. So you'll grab two of those for $27.98. Now, if you were lucky enough to get the $3 off of each one for the My Walgreens coupons last week, that does apply to this. And we have a $6 off of two digital coupon that will stack because that is a manufacturer coupon. Plus, we'll get the $5 registry reward for buying two. Now, just an FYI, this is probably a store registry reward that will print. But after everything is said and done, I'll make them just $10.98 for both. So it's not exactly the best savings, but it's definitely some good savings, especially if you don't shop at Walmart. Walmart did have a cheaper deal using Swag Bucks and Checkout 51. I believe for this deal you can grab any of the bigger packs, so like the back pain, this is the 72 count, or the dual action 72 count. I believe those both work as well for this deal. Right now, select Scott products are two for $7.50, so it's going to be on the $5 everyday paper towels. You're going to grab one of those. Then you're going to come grab one of the $5 everyday toilet papers. Grabbing these two products, your total will be $7.50. We have a $1 digital coupon for the toilet paper, a $1 digital coupon for the paper towel, making them two for $5.50. We have great easy savings on brownie paper towels this week. It is on the 2 = 6. And I like this one because it's Terra size, so you can grab the right size paper towel and you're not wasting a whole bunch if you don't need a full sheet. But they are on promotion, buy two, get $5 in registry rewards, and they're on sale for $6.49. So you're going to grab two of them for $12.98. We have a $1 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $11.98 at the register. You'll take your receipt and submit it to Swag Bucks, where we have $1 back on the second package that we didn't use a coupon for yet. Then you'll get the $5 register reward for buying the two products, making them $5.98 for both. Doing the brownie deal by itself for the spend $10, get $10 in Walgreens cash is really good savings, and it's harder to save on paper products or household products, so this would be a phenomenal deal to do it on its own. Select small size Purex are on sale for $1.99. They are the 29 load or the 38 load. We don't have any digital coupons or rebates, so they're $1.99, but if you like this brand or don't mind using it, this is a really good deal. Great savings on Dawn Easy Squeeze. Select ones are on sale for $3.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making them just $1.99. Select small spaces or bathrooms, if that's what you want to call them, are on sale for $3.49. We have a $2 digital coupon, making them just $1.49. So here's an example of a spend 10, get $10 in Walgreens cash store booster. So we have 4 products here, the 2 Purex, the Febreze, and the Dawn. Your total will be $11.46. We have $4 in coupons. So your total to pay at the register will be $7.46, and then we'll get the $10 in Walgreens cash, making this a $3.54 moneymaker. Now it's a small money maker, but it's on household only items. So here's a great way to roll registry rewards, or how to. So for this deal, we did go over it. So our total at the register, the pay would be the $15. Then we would get the $5 register reward. So we'd pay $15, get $4 from Ibotta, making this deal $11 cash out of pocket. Then we could use the $5 we earned for our next deal, and you can use that in the spend 10, get $10 in Walgreens cash booster. All right, we're back in from checkout, but before we go over the deals, I am looking to improve my videos in a way to make it more better for you guys. So obviously I make the videos specifically to help you guys save money. So what is something that I can improve my videos by? Drop them in the comments. Like, I don't care if you think you're sounding mean. If you think I talk too much, let me know. Like, just be like, you talk too much. Stop talking so much. Or if you want me to add closed captions, I I know they're automatically generated, but I could spend time and go through them more and make sure they're better, I guess. Or if you want more like booster scenarios for Walgreens, I do Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and Meijer. So if anything that you guys think would be helpful or more helpful to other people, let me know. Like I said, I'm always trying to improve, and these videos are not for me, they're for you guys. So yeah, let me know. I'd love to be more helpful. Plus, I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So anything that would be more helpful to reach more people would be great. Also, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What are you doing? So our first scenario, or transaction. So I grabbed 2 simple transactions to keep my out-of-pocket low. I grabbed the 2 Old Spice body washes. Literally what I showed you guys in the store is what I grabbed, and then the Scott and Febreze. So the 2 Old Spice was $22. That $7 digital coupon came off, so my subtotal to pay out of pocket was $5. I did roll $10 in Walgreens cash, so I was left to pay $5 out of pocket. I did get the $5 register reward for spending the $20, and then I did submit to Ibotta for $4. Then I did earn the $10 in Walgreens cash on my first transaction because I spent over the $10 before using the $10 in Walgreens cash, because my subtotal was $12 before the digital coupon. I could have ended this haul just grabbing this and it'd be like a super amazing savings, but I also wanted to grab the Scott paper products, and that way I could pay attention to digital coupons. I know on Sunday mornings, digital coupons have a hard time attaching or coming off, especially newer coupons. So if you are using new coupons that did come out today, always be super mindful about them. Some cashiers will manually push them off or like take them off, and some won't. So if your coupons don't come off, you can always reach out to customer service and they'll give you Walgreens cash instead. But this whole transaction cost me, not including the Walgreens cash or the register reward that I got, $1 whole after my Ibotta rebates. Then my second transaction that I did was the Febreze and Scott. So you can see the Febreze and the 2 Scotts. Then I used a $4 register reward. I could have used the $5 one, but I had the $4 one that did expire today, so I did use that one. And then you can see the $2 and each $1 digital coupons came off. So it was just $2.99 for this receipt. So it makes both receipts and everything I bought a cash cost of $3.99. Plus I did earn the $10 in Walgreens cash and the $5 register reward to use next week. Plus they wasted a whole bunch of paper printing these ads. I hate them. I think they're a waste. But like I said, if you guys want any improvements to my videos or anything, let me know. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys get to find some phenomenal savings like I did. Even keep your transactions simple, low out of pocket. Some stores only let you do 2 or 3 transactions per day, so just be mindful. And if there's a long line, I always suggest doing 1 transaction, moving to the back of the line. That way you're being respectful of everyone. But that's just me, I guess. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.